Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Today we are going to Rob's house to do a couple things, but before we get into all that, what time is it? Yeah, love that part. Anyways, welcome back everybody. Today we are going to Rob's house. We're gonna demod his car because he's gonna go trade it in for a yeah. But before all that, take this little dude to school.
Stay in school, kids.
Yeah, so I'm gonna drive over there, help him demod the car, and get into a couple other things. We'll get there when we get there. So right now, enjoy the drive. Yeah. Never been here. Let's see, Rob. Where do you live? Oh yeah, I see the Honda. I see it. Oh yeah. He's already going it. Swap these already.
I came out here yesterday. Fucking mosquitoes were going crazy.
Yeah. What's in here?
Empty.
Oh, it's gonna. Huh?
Leave one in there.
Yeah. Oh, that kept it good then.
Yeah, brand new.
Hmm?
One in the car
I was
was
like,
like
yeah.
2,000 miles.
Kept them new.
So,
It looks good, the splitter.
it does, right?
Yeah. It's a little bit of low, and it'll help look that wider in the front when you lower it a little bit. I mean, never mind. You get rid of it. It's coming out.
Yeah.
It looks new too. left Rob's house, and D-mod is done. We put the stock manifold back on, stock box back on, stock injectors back on. We swapped the steering wheel, stock tunes back on, and we put the performance pack wheels back on. And actually, his wheels are not there. They're in this car. I have them on. I'm testing it now. I'm gonna see if I like it, see if I can get used to black wheels again, because my wife loves my wheels. She loves those wheels. So we will see if I like them, if my wife likes them, and then we'll probably I'll probably end up keeping these, giving those to her, and selling hers. But we'll see how that goes. We'll see. D-mod is done, and hopefully he's gonna go do his thing today, or by the end of the week. Hopefully today, and maybe Saturday for Cars and Coffee. We'll be seeing his new ride. Stand by for that. Peace out.
Yeah, so what? Getting lit like we will Sparks, and we coming up like the modern day Mozart. Yeah, we getting lucky with the ladies like we're Daft Punk. This is how we party, rehab, it's a slam dunk. We hear you G-Eazy, man, this shit ain't fucking random. Oops, not a DJ, but that motherfucker's handsome. About to be Darude and turn this beat into a sandstorm. About to switch it up and make this motherfucker transform.